Welcome. If you want to enable or disable communications in your Amazon Echo Studio speaker, at first you have to select devices in your Amazon Alexa application. Right now, select your speaker and tap on the right upper corner. Next, we have to scroll down and pick communications in the general settings. And right now, we can enable and disable this option by simply tapping on this switcher. Also, when you turn it on, you can enable or disable announcements and drop in. You can change it to turn it off or use only My Household. In this place you can also find description of this option. So that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.